Okay, we got this Oliver 66 running again. He didn't do well last shot, so let's see what he does this time. I mean, he should have done a lot better than that. Good pulls. Hey, guy, good pulls. See what he does here. Keep her going. Come on, Pop, keep her going. Looks like a good start. There. Oh, he's lost it. Okay, he's bogging it down. I don't know what's up with that. Man, this guy, one of the top contenders right now, said that that tractor runs better than that. He don't know why that's going on. Look at that, 128 feet only. Jeez.